Hello everyone, I am Violi Magnaye and welcome to my Bisaya class. Today, we will learn some basic greetings. Keep an open mind for learning and pen and paper for better memories as we go through this lesson. Today in Visaya class, we will learn how to greet people in the Visaya language and how to use it in simple sentences. Good morning, maayong buntag. Good day, maayong adlaw. Good afternoon, maayong hapon. Good evening, maayong gabi. Where am I? Asa man ako? When are you leaving? Kano sa ka mo lakaw? Why are you here? Ngano ani ka man? How do you do it? Giunsa nimo paghimo? Asa man kami? Where are we? Ania kamo sa Boracay. We are here in Boracay Islands. Giunsa nimong pag-anhi dinhi kan sa Amerika? No abot kami dinhi gikan sakay sa eroplano. We arrive here through an airplane. One, isa. Isang niyog, coconut tree. Duha, two. Duha ka agila, eagles. Three, tulo. Tulo ka pinya, pineapple. 4. Upat. Upat ka mangga. Mango. 5. Lima. Lima ka isdang bangus. Milk fish. 6. Unom. Unom nga kalabaw. Karabaw. 7. Pito. Pitong perlas. Pearls. 8. Walo. Walong buko. Coconut fruit. 9. Siyam. Siyam ka lechon. Roasted pork. 10. Napulo. Napulong durian. What did we learn? Number 1, how to ask questions in Visaya. Number 2, how to greet people in Visaya. Number 3, how to count in Visaya. And number 4, products of the Visayan region. Thank you for watching the first lesson of the Visayan class by Ako Pinay. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.